Question number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? So let us understand what is cuboid. In your lower classes, you have studied solid shapes. In that, you might have come across cuboids and cube. So cuboid is made up of rectangular faces. All 6 faces has rectangular shape, and it has 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Over here, this boy makes a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. He wants to make a cube out of these cuboid. So how many such cuboids are required to make this cube? So let us start. Suppose, now let us consider, for finding this we should know what is the volume of this cuboid. You must have studied area of square and area of rectangle. Rectangle has 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth, and so what is the area of rectangle? It is L into B. Whereas in case of square, all sides are equal, so let's take it as L. So what will be the area of square? It will be equal to L square. Now we want to find the volume. Whenever we want to find the volume, we should multiply height of that object with the area of the base. Suppose over here we have cuboid. So what is the base of this cuboid? This you can see easily, it is the base and it is of rectangular shape. So it has dimensions L and B. So in order to find the volume, we must multiply area of the base with height. That is area multiply height. What is the area of base? It is L into B, and multiply height. We will get volume. So volume is equal to L into B into H. This is for cuboid. So what will be for cube? Cube has all faces square shaped. So what will be the volume of cube? It will be equal to area of the base multiply height. In the case of cube, base is square shaped and all sides are equal, that is height, length, breadth all are equal. So area of the base is equal to L squared, and we multiply height to get the volume. So over here height is also L. So what is the volume of cube? It is L cube. So hope it is clear till here. So in order to find how many cuboids are required to make this cube, we must know the volume of cuboid and volume of cube. Suppose 4 cuboids are required. Suppose 4 cuboids are required to make this cube. Then volume of this 4 cuboid will be equal to volume of this cube. So how we will write? 4 multiply volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. So what is this 4? This 4 represents the number of cuboid, and this is the volume of cuboid, and here it is volume of cube. So let us start. Let the number of cuboids required be x. Let number of cuboids required be n. Let us suppose n number of cuboids are required. So volume of cube will be equal to volume of cube is equal to n into volume of cuboid. Yes, hope this is clear. So we have took a cuboid of side A. So what will be the volume of cube? It will be equal to A cube, A cubed, and n in multiply volume of cuboid. Over here we have what dimensions for the cuboid? Here we have length equal to 5 centimeter, breadth equal to 2 centimeter, and height equal to 5 centimeter. So write it down. N multiply 5 multiply 2 multiply 5. This we have written in place of volume of cuboid. L multiply B multiply H. Now here we see that over here it is a cube number. A cubed means here it will come a cube number. It will be equal to this side only when this also forms a cube number, or it is a perfect cube. Here we see that 5 is not making a triplet, 2 is also not making a triplet. So here also there should be a perfect cube. Here the answer should be in perfect cube, or it should be a cube number. So to make it a cube number, we should make it a triplet form. So in order to make 2 triplet, how many 2's we should multiply? We should multiply 2 2's. And how many 5 we want to make it a triplet? We want only 1 5. So write this as it is. These three numbers we have multiplied by our own. So this can be considered as number of cuboids required. This is written in place of this n. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 is written in place of n, and this represents number of cuboids required, and we multiplied it to get a perfect cube. Now we here see that we get triplets 2 2 and 5 5 5. We get triplet of 2 and 5. Therefore this side represents a perfect cube or a cube number. So what we multiplied by our own? We multiplied 2 2 and 5. So what is the product of this? You will get at 20. 2 multiply 2 is 4, and 4 multiply 5 is 20. So we multiplied actually 20 by our own to make it a perfect cube. So 20 cuboids we are required to make a cube. Hope this is clear, children. So this is the solution. This is all for today. Thank you.